In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Notion Premium. Welcome, and thanks for being here. In this walkthrough, I will guide you step by step through the process of upgrading your Notion workspace so you can unlock advanced features like higher upload limits, expanded sharing options, and powerful collaboration tools. This process is quick, straightforward, and can be done entirely from within your existing workspace without needing any technical setup. With Notion open and your workspace visible, start by looking at the left-hand sidebar. This is where all of your main controls are located. From here, click on the Settings area in the left pane. If you are using the desktop app, the label may appear as Settings or Settings and Members, depending on the version you're using. Opening this panel is important because it contains everything related to your account, workspace settings, and billing information. Inside the Settings panel, look for the option labeled Upgrade Plan. In some cases, this option appears near sections related to billing or plans, but the wording Upgrade Plan is what you should focus on. Once you select it, you will be taken to the plan selection screen. Here you will see the available premium tiers offered by Notion. Take a moment to read the short description so you can choose the plan that best matches your needs, whether you are upgrading for personal productivity or for team collaboration. After you have decided on a plan, go ahead and click Upgrade. You may also see an option to choose between monthly and yearly billing. Yearly billing often offers savings over time, while monthly billing provides more flexibility. Choose the option that fits your budget and how long you plan to use the premium features. If you are part of a shared workspace, make sure you are upgrading the correct workspace so you do not accidentally pay for the wrong one. Next, you will be prompted to enter your payment details. Carefully add your card information along with any required billing address fields. Make sure your billing country and postal code match what your bank expects, since mismatches can sometimes cause payment failures. For extra peace of mind, it is best to complete this step while connected to a secure and private network. When everything looks correct, submit the payment. The system will process it, and once it goes through successfully, your upgrade is complete. You should see confirmation inside Notion right away, and you will usually receive a confirmation email as well. If your new features do not appear immediately, try refreshing your workspace or signing out and signing back in. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.